Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new mixing video. And today I did a wheel of names and I put down a whole bunch of artists I was thinking about doing, and it landed on Lieu by a fucking slither. And the FPS on this video is a little low, so I apologize for that, but the song is still good. So let's get right into the DAW. At the start of this mix, I actually did this distortion type vocal mix like Lieu did on Move On, Can You Hear Me and Forgive, but I'll play it raw so you can hear it. What is showing me? I don't even know. I don't even know. What is showing me? I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't know what's wrong with me. As you can hear, it doesn't sound terrible because I recorded with autotune on, and I'm pretty sure Lieu doesn't record with autotune on for the distortion vocals. But I'll play it with the mix on so you can hear. What is showing me? I don't even know. I don't even know. What is showing me? I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't know what's wrong with me. And so I'll just play it with the beat so you can hear it all together. I feel like I overmixed it for the distortion type vocal, but I'm pretty sure when Lieu records hers, she records it with a webcam microphone. And my webcam mic literally sounds like shit, so I never want to put that into a song ever. Alright, so now it's time to talk about the main vocals. And this is what it sounds like with only autotune on. I just stuck on my head again. I think we're better friends. I took my phone off the wall, cause you won't give me a call. I just tried to stop my head. You were so far away, baby, I get over jaws. And I put vocal chops between all the vocal takes, so I can make a tutorial on that if you guys would like. And I'm gonna turn the mix on so you can hear everything all together. And I think it sounds pretty good. I just been stuck on my head again. I think we're better friends. I took my phone off the wall, cause you won't give me a call. You were so far away, baby, I get over jaws. And now I'm gonna play it with the beat. I just been stuck on my head again. I think we're better friends. I took my phone off the wall, cause you won't give me a call. You were so far away, baby, I get over jaws. Now I didn't record the main vocal without the layers, but I'm gonna break down the layers. Stuck on my head again. So I just recorded one high vocal, and then I recorded the exact same thing under it, so I can get this effect. Stuck on my head again. And if I put them together, stuck on my head again. And if I play it with the main vocal with no beat, stuck on my head again. And I only did that on one part of the song because I wanted to get that Lieu distortion loud vocal screaming effect. And for the other one, I did this one. I think we're better off first. Like just little mumbly high pitched vocal. And then under it, I put the beginning yelling preset. And it sounds super good. And throughout the whole song, I didn't do two layers with the two presets on. I only did one layer with the preset on. I took my foot at the wall, cause you won't give me a call. I like to record deeper main and then higher background vocals on my music. I took my foot at the wall, cause you won't give me a call. You were so far away, baby, I get over jaws. And that's basically all I did. That's pretty much the end of this video. If you guys want to buy the preset, it will be linked in the description. And for now on, I'm going to start putting the auto-tune instead of the preset pack so you guys can put it in your FL Studio if you don't already have it. And I'm just going to play the song mastered and sped up so you guys can hear it. Stuck on my head again. I think we're better friends. I took my phone off the wall, cause you won't give me a call. You were so far away, baby, I get over jaws. I just been shut on my head. I just been shut on my head. I just been shut on my head. I just been trust. I just been trust. People like